Hello everyone. In today's video, we're covering authentication and authorization in Supabase. We'll look at configuring different authentication methods, setting up roles, managing access with role-level security, and securing your API endpoints. Let's get started. Supabase provides a variety of built-in authentication methods: email, social logins, and magic links. You can set these up directly in the Supabase dashboard. For instance, with just a few configurations, users can register and log in via popular social providers like Google, Facebook, and GitHub, in addition to traditional email login. What's great about Supabase's auth system is that it integrates seamlessly with the database, meaning user data and authentication are directly tied to your PostgreSQL tables. Now let's talk about user roles and row-level security, or RLS. Supabase uses PostgreSQL's RLS feature to control data access at the row level. For advanced use cases, you can create custom roles that have specific access rights, such as admin, editor, or viewer. With RLS, you can enforce policies on individual rows, so only certain users can access certain data. For example, you could set a policy that only allows a user to access their own records in a table, which is ideal for applications requiring strong data privacy. Lastly, securing your API endpoints and managing sessions is straightforward with Supabase. Supabase's auth system provides JWT tokens that can be used to secure API calls, making it easy to manage permissions and ensure only authorized users have access to certain endpoints. Session management is handled automatically with support for token refresh, so you don't have to worry about manually handling token expiration or user re-authentication. By using Supabase's authentication and authorization features, you gain powerful control over who can access what data in your application. This is essential for creating secure, user-specific experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Do you need expert guidance or Supabase consultancy? Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.